Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today is day 12 of 30 Days of Resin. And I'm going to make something very easy. It's very simple, it's great for beginners, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And it's for, the holidays, or you can wear this whenever you want. But I'm going to make a pair of earrings and a pendant, or a necklace, should I say. And what you're going to need is UV resin. You'll need some silver foil. Now this may not look like enough to use for the pendant and earrings, but I have to show you this. I just put it in the little jar to work with. What I got was, I ordered for $6 a jar of silver foil, and I really thought it was just like something like this size, very small. But no, it came in, and to my surprise, look at that. So I'm gonna have to come up with other ideas to use this. So, all right, so we have enough of the foil. You'll also need, I'm not sure of the thickness of the pendant or the earrings, so I do have 6mm jump rings and 8mm jump rings to see which one will work best. I have fish hook earrings, and I have this, it's like a set. It has the chain, the jump rings in there, and also the lobster claw clasp. Now you can use this, or you can use, this is a pre-made chain that already has the lobster claw clasp and the jump rings on it. Now this is sterling silver, whereas this, I'm not really sure what kind of metal this is. Obviously you can see the difference. So this would be the cheaper of the two. I'm gonna go with this. So why not? You'll need tweezers, and you'll need your pliers for your jump rings and such. So I'm going to move everything aside except for the foil. We're going to need that, and chain. So I'm going to choose the teardrop shape, and it's kind of made to look like it's faceted, and I think I want to go, I was going to go with the larger of the two, but I think I'm going to go with the smaller, so it's not so bold. If you want to go for a larger earring, you can size it up. This could be the earring and that could be the pendant, but I'm going to do the smaller two. And it's all up to you, or if you want to do the ovals, those would be great too. I'm just going to put clear resin in here. Now remember, since I'm doing a pendant, I only need one of these. I do need two of these. So, all right. And get the foil out. Get rid of bubbles. You'll be adding bubbles too once you put the foil in. I'm just checking to make sure there's not too many. So basically what you're doing is you're just taking foil pieces, like so, and then just placing it right into your piece. Nothing really like fussy about it, you just place it in there. I have a fan blowing, so they're kind of blowing around. Now another way to do this is you could put it in a mixing bowl with some clear resin and then mix it all up. That's an option. But I'm just going to take my time and put it in, and just do it this way. And then make sure you get around that hole that, for the jump ring, because, you want that with the silver also. And then if you see spots that don't have some in there, you can just place a little bit. It tears apart really easily. and it's lightweight. Now if you want, you could add something else to this too. You could put flowers in here and some glitter, or really anything that you might have. I have some butterflies, like little mini foil butterflies. That would look really pretty in here too. But I'm thinking I just want the foil. I just want the shininess of this. And just take your time, place it in there. Kind of floats a little bit. Now, I don't want to put my tweezers back in there because of the fact that they've got resin on them. So I'm just going to get a little bit of foil out on my hand for this. Now it doesn't have to lay flat in here like a flat piece of the foil. It can, you know, mound up a little bit. It's not going to hurt it. It'll just enhance the look of your piece. They can be on top of each other. They don't have to be like laying directly next to each other. You don't have to have spaces in between. Just put it in. And then when you think you have enough, which I'm not really quite sure I do yet, I just want to make sure this is filled nicely. Get all those little ends there, because you kind of want it to go right to the end. You don't want just a big piece of clear resin there. You want it kind of filled in. Let me see a little piece there. Okay. And then when you feel that you have enough in there, if you have some stuck to your fingers, that's okay. I do see a little piece right there that well, oh, that's good. It was stuck on my tweezers. I'm just gonna place that right there. I'm gonna place a little bit more resin over the top because I did not fill it all the way, and I just want to make sure that that foil is covered. Oops. And then I'm going to cure this for 180 seconds and then turn it over and cure the other side for 180 seconds. All right, now that they're cured, we can remove them from the mold. Look how pretty they look. A little warm. Came out really nice. So now we have to do one more for the earring, and I'm trying to see, I think an 8mm might be good. I don't think the 6mm would work. So we'll just get a little more resin in here. And I cleaned these off so I can get some of this out. And we'll just start placing it in here. Oops. Okay, now making sure that all of this is submerged. I put a little bit too much resin in. I normally don't fill it all the way to the top. And this time I did, so I'm just making sure this is all submerged. And I can move stuff around too in here if I think it's not quite as full as I want it to be. Okay, that looks good. So now we're going to cure this for the 180 seconds and then turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds, and I'll be right back. All right, this one's done curing. I can remove it from the mold. Really pretty. All right, now it's time to put them together. I'm using the 8mm jump rings. So I'll do the earrings first, opening to the side, placing it through the hole. And then placing the fishhook earring so that it faces towards the back of the earring. And then I'm just going to close that up so the ends meet. And there's one earring done. Open to the side, place it through the hole, put the fishhook earring on, and close it up. Now this is the chain I was talking about that's pre-made, and it's a nice length. I think it's about 26 inches. So for the pendant, do the same. Open it up sideways, place your pendant on, and then you can put the chain on right away and close it up. Make sure that meets so that you don't lose your chain. And there you have it. Today is the end of day 12 of 30 Days of Resin. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. In the description box below, you will find links to all my supplies, and you'll also find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.